Wow, I can't close my door because I broke my door. Oh wow. So what happened with the wind is I opened this and it came slamming out, bending this fender, and I think I bent the hinges. So went to the junkyard, got 2 new hinges. Hopefully that will fix it. So in order to fix it, I had to remove this fender. So I popped the clips right here. These are the clips. Then there was a screw holding up, going up here, and this popped out. And I'm gonna remove these screws and remove the headlight, and I think there should be more screws underneath here and under here, and the whole fender will come out. So there are a bunch of Allens. I slid this out and there are 2 clips down here. Then this came out. Looks like there are 2 screws right here, 1 screw down there, 2 screws down here. Should be, I need to pop this out, and there should be more screws down there. This one pops out. You just pry it a little bit, and there is another screw right there. Remove this screw, and there are 2 clips that you press the middle and pop down, and it gives just enough clearance to get this bolt. Okay, recap. This bolt, that bolt, these 2, and 1 down there. Whole thing comes out. See that gap right here? So that's where it bent. Hopefully it's not, when I put the new one, it will stay flush, hopefully.